Are you looking for a powerful scalping strategy for trading in the gold market or XAUUSD market? If yes, then you must try the scalping strategy we will discuss this time. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. The gold scalping or XAUUSD scalping strategy we will discuss today is very accurate and works well on various time frames, from 1 minute, 5 minutes, to 15 minutes. And not only in the gold or XAUUSD market, you can also use this scalping strategy on other assets such as forex, crypto, or other assets. In this example, we will try this trading strategy on 1-minute gold scalping. So, make sure you stay on this video until the end. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. This scalping strategy is very easy to use, making it suitable for all traders, even if you are a beginner. Moreover, this scalping strategy only requires 2 free indicators available on Tradingview. To use this scalping strategy, you can go to Tradingview. In this example, we will use this scalping strategy on the gold pair with a 1-minute time frame. So now, set the pair to gold or XAUUSD. Then, set the time frame to 1 minute. After that, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type RSI MFI. Then select RSI MFI by Cryptoda. Next, set up the RSI MFI indicator. In the Input tab, change the length to 10. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the boxes for MFI plot and MFI background. Then, change the color of the RSI plot to your preference. If you want to follow my settings, change the RSI plot color to yellow. To make it easier to see oversold and overbought signals, change the RSI overbought color to navy and the RSI oversold color to yellow. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. This RSI MFI indicator will be used to see if the price is too high or too low. If a green bar appears, it indicates that the MFI has entered the oversold area. If a red bar appears, it indicates that the MFI has entered the overbought area. If the RSI signal line is below level 20 and a yellow cloud appears, it is a sign that the RSI has entered the oversold area. If the RSI signal line is above level 80 and a navy cloud appears, it is a sign that the RSI has entered the overbought area. To use this indicator, you must wait until both the RSI and MFI indicators enter the oversold and overbought areas simultaneously before placing an order. Example, if a green bar appears and the RSI line is below level 20 or a yellow cloud appears, it indicates that the RSI and MFI indicators are in the oversold area. In this position, your main focus should be finding the best point to place a buy order. If a red bar appears and the RSI line is above level 80 or a navy cloud appears, it indicates that the RSI and MFI indicators are in the overbought area. In this position, your main focus should be finding the best point to place a sell order. Now, add the second indicator that will be used as a trend guide and as a guide for placing orders in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Xtreme Trend. Then, select Xtreme Trend by xauusd. Next, set up the Xtreme Trend indicator. In the Style tab, change the EMA 200 color to white. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. This Xtreme Trend indicator will be used as a trend guide and as a guide for placing orders in the market. There are 3 important elements you need to understand when using this Xtreme Trend indicator. A blue triangle indicates a buy signal, while a yellow triangle indicates a sell signal. The white line indicates the EMA 200. If a blue triangle appears and the candlestick closes above the EMA 200, it is a valid buy signal. If a yellow triangle appears and the candlestick closes below the EMA 200, it is a valid sell signal. Ignore signals that do not meet these conditions. Now, let's discuss how to place orders using this 1-minute gold scalping strategy. How to place a buy order. If the RSI MFI indicators have entered the oversold area simultaneously, your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. Then wait for a valid buy signal from the Xtreme Trend indicator. In other words, wait for a blue triangle to appear and the candlestick must close above the EMA 200. Confirm that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Place a stop loss at the latest swing low. Set a take profit target using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the RSI MFI indicators have entered the overbought area simultaneously, your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. Then wait for a valid sell signal from the Xtreme Trend indicator. In other words, wait for a yellow triangle to appear and the candlestick must close below the EMA 200. Confirm that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Place a stop loss at the latest swing high. Set a take profit target using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always ensure to maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no strategy guarantees a 100% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you gained new knowledge today. That concludes our discussion for today, and see you in the next video.